Hey viewers, welcome to A to Z BODYFORM. Today we're going to go over the top 10 best drinks to consume more of. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most surprising drinks of all. Let's start with number 10, golden milk. Yes, this is a drink that's becoming more well known and popular. As the name suggests, you simply have warm milk with turmeric or other spices you may like. Add a little black pepper which will help absorb the drink into your system. Ginger and cinnamon are popular ingredients as well. This is certainly one of the most calming and comforting drinks before bed you could consume. Golden milk is full of antioxidants which could reduce risk of disease and infections. Another important property this drink has is that it's been known to be of benefit for anti-inflammatory issues. Some other advantages found are to keep you from getting a sore throat, colds and arthritis. Has also been known to possibly keep your brain healthy, improve your digestion, mood and stronger bones. Number 9 is protein shakes. These shakes are not normally required when most people are eating a wide selection of foods. It can be a great source for when you're on the go and don't have time to stop and eat. It's best to avoid shakes that have a lot of added sugar. The better choice is a protein base which contains essential amino acids and those that can be mixed with water. These shakes will keep you full and help muscle repair plus help burn fat. Number 8 is wheatgrass juice. Health supporters have long talked about the number of benefits of this plant. It's full of minerals, vitamins and nutrients. Some studies have found it can help with blood disorders and obesity by boosting your metabolism, while another study found wheatgrass may help with cancer, heart disease, and keep your blood sugar levels lower. Digestion issues can affect us all, and wheatgrass has high amounts of enzymes. This will help you experience less bloating and discomfort. Number 7 is organic tea. It has more flavour than normal tea, which makes it more enjoyable. Plus it has enormous health benefits as well. It's toxin-free, and research has shown organic tea slows down the aging process. The antioxidant properties have been known to improve your skin greatly. Some other benefits are improvements to your skin texture, combating fatigue, depression, and can also help prevent hair loss. Studies have proposed that organic tea produce has a high nutrition value with enhanced flavours. Tea flavours such as cinnamon assist your body's appetite. By drinking a cup of organic tea without milk or sugar, it's calorie-free and will keep you well hydrated and slim. Organic tea contains vitamins such as H and D. Vitamin H aids hair growth, while vitamin D is great for bones and teeth. Studies found people who consumed at least 3 cups a day showed a reduction in the risk of various heart diseases, cardiac death and stroke. All great benefits while enjoying your next cup of organic tea. Number 6 is red wine. Red wine has been found to be of help when consumed in moderation. It has been a part of social and religious gatherings for hundreds of years. Medieval monks were of the belief that by consuming moderate amounts of red wine, they would live longer. Studies have shown red wine has many positive links with cardio disease, hypertension, some cancers including prostate cancer, and for people with diabetes, drinking red wine can lower your blood sugar for up to 24 hours. Red wine is also known to lower the bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. The antioxidants present in red wine may play a strong role in keeping colds at bay. Bone health can be a positive here as well. Red wine has properties that can prevent bone loss while also stimulating bone-forming cells in the body. Another good way to consume wine is not by the glass, but as an ingredient in your food or to make a red wine sauce to enjoy with your food while still gaining from the same benefits. The grapes red wine is made of are very high in melatonin, the same compound that encourages sleep. According to scientists, this melatonin in the wine may be high enough to help us sleep well. As a guide, women can have 4 ounces of wine per day. For men, the guide is up to 2 glasses per day. These small amounts of wine seem to lead to living longer and better health. Any more than the recommended guide is considered unhealthy. Number 5 is coffee. This may come as a surprise, but in saying that, the best coffee to drink is high quality coffee. Have your coffee organic, a darker roast which has less caffeine. It is best to avoid adding creams and sugar. A good alternative is stevia and almond milk, or try adding spices such as cinnamon and nutmeg. Some of the benefits of drinking coffee are better ketone production, cognitive performance, and aids to burn fat, plus better memory and mental alertness. Other well-known benefits are helping with liver cancer, Parkinson's, colon cancer, and stroke. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, which elevates your mood. Coffee is packed full of vitamin B5, which is essential for life. It helps your body in the process of converting your food into energy and making blood cells. To ensure a good night's sleep, avoid coffee in the late afternoon, as similar to red wine consumption, too much coffee per day can be unhealthy for you. Number 4 is fresh green juices. Essentially, you're taking all the good fruit and vegetables, putting them through a juicer to extract all the vitamins and minerals to give you good nutrition without the fibre. If you don't generally like greens, then this is a good way to get them into your diet. Your body can also easily digest these juices. For green juices, be sure to include kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, or any other green vegetable or fruits. These types of juices are far better than your orange, apple, or pineapple juice, which is high with sugar. As an added bonus, if you have a green juice in the mornings, your body will not need to take a long time to digest the juice and you'll be off to a great start. These green juices are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and vitamin A that add up to a great antioxidant. Number 3 is coconut water. If you've never tried coconut water, it has a slightly sweet and nutty flavour. It has become more popular and easier to find in stores and is available in bottles and powder form. The best way to enjoy this drink is when it's fresh. Benefits include microminerals, antibacterial, and lots of nutrients. It will leave you feeling fresh and hydrated. Another plus is it's low in sugar and calories. For those suffering from acne, try some coconut water, as it's been known to aid in the fight against acne, as it's full of antioxidant properties. When choosing coconut water from a store, be sure to read the label. It's best to choose a coconut water that doesn't contain any sugar and preservatives. Number 2 is avocado smoothie. This fruit is well known around the world and used in various ways, from adding to a salad, desserts, soups, burritos, and smashed avo on toast. It's delicious, versatile, and let's not forget, it's nutritious. Just half an avocado provides you with 30% of your B6 needs. Will also help suppress inflammation and is a concentrated source of fibre and healthy fats. Avocados may help increase levels of HDL cholesterol while reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, which can cause plaque to build up on artery walls. Avocado has a mild taste that pairs well with most smoothie ingredients. Try adding kale, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and grapefruit juice. It's one of the popular blends, but experiment with ingredients you love to find your favourite avocado smoothie and reap the benefits today. Now here we are at the number 1, viewers. It's water, of course. Studies have shown that drinking water can be the answer to almost every problem in our system. After all, human bodies are made up of 60% water and our blood is 90% water. Water keeps us running like an efficient machine. Every organ in our body is made up of water. The current guideline as to how much we should drink a day is around 2.7 litres for women and 3.7 litres for men. Sometimes we will need to drink more water than usual. Some instances of this are when you have a fever, if it's a hot day, if you have diarrhea or vomiting. Physical activity is also when you need to increase your water intake, especially if you are sweating a lot. We need water to carry oxygen, nutrients, and flush the toxins out of our body. Another bonus of drinking water is it helps keep our skin clear. If we are dehydrated, the skin can become more exposed to skin ailments and bring on early wrinkling. Water is the essential ingredient for good health. Your body will thank you for keeping yourself hydrated for many years. Which of these drinks did you like the most or least? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe for more good health videos to help you live your best life.